Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 8th June 2025. Title of Murli. Be loving with a true heart to the Father, and the familiar promise to become free from laboring and take the benefit of that promise. Bap Dada said, always stay stable in self-respect, not in body consciousness. The more self-respect one has, the more one will respect everyone. The sign of one who has self-respect is that he is loved by the Father and also loved by everyone, not limited but unlimited. The more self-respect one has, the more humble and loving to everyone he will be. A very easy way to erase body consciousness is to always stay in self-respect and to look at everyone with self-respect. Further, Baba said, to stay in self-respect and to give respect, both of these are essential. Give respect in this one birth, and then you receive respect as a reward for the whole cycle. Never look at the weaknesses of anyone else. Even if someone is under the influence of sanskars, then you give him the Vashikaran mantra and become the one who liberates him, not the one who looks on. Finally, Baba said, make someone successful and make others successful. Now you have to get the certificate of being an embodiment of success. If someone makes him unsuccessful, then do not teach him through words, rather, teach by becoming an embodiment of forgiveness. Be merciful, be compassionate. Blessing for today. May you become free from forgetting the Father and making mistakes by having the awareness of your combined form and thereby become a constant yogi. Details are: the children who experience themselves to be combined with the Father automatically receive the blessing of, may you be a constant yogi. This is because, wherever they may be, they continue to experience a meeting. No matter how much someone tries to make them forget him, they are free from forgetting him. Such children, who never forget the Father, are dearly loved by the Father, and so they are constant yogis, because the sign of love is natural remembrance. Maya cannot shake even a nail, a tiny part, of their thoughts. Slogan is, instead of making excuses, find a solution, and you will claim a right to receive blessings. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. Practice being in the stage of soul consciousness, be introverted. Be introverted, and with the practice of churning this knowledge, remain constantly intoxicated in alokik intoxication, then none of the problems of this world will attract you. Just as military people go underground in order to save themselves from the impact of bombs, etc., in the same way, when you practice being introverted and underground in your soul conscious stage, the things of extroversion will not disturb you.